going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we've got this stunning Porsche 992 Carrera in for our Wax is Dead lifetime ceramic coating package. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like rating, and let's get on with the video. Right then, so that's this stunning Porsche now pulled into the bay. Let's show you some of the imperfections that are on the car before we start our paint correction. As you can expect with a car of this age, there will be some marring marks and other imperfections, so yeah, that's our job to get them removed and get this looking better than it left the showroom.
And now a word from our sponsors.
So then, guys, today's video actually isn't sponsored. However, whilst I've got your attention, I might as well remind you about the 2,000 subscriber giveaway, where one of you could be getting our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10-year ceramic coating package completely free of charge. So what do you need to do to enter? Look on screen now. You should be able to see the 4 simple steps. 1, whilst you're on our YouTube channel now, subscribe to it. Head over to our Lamborghini Huracan Evo video and comment done in the comment section of that video. Once you've done that, head over to our Instagram, make sure you're following us and Wax is Dead, and then tag 3 friends on the Lamborghini Huracan Evo post. Once you've done that, you will be entered and you could be getting £1,500 worth of detailing completely free of charge. Now I've reminded you, let's get back on with the video. Right then, so now we've cut one side of the car, we need to go ahead and refine the paintwork. So as you can see now, I'm just going to go around and refine all of the paintwork, and then we should be a good base to apply the coatings. Right then, so here's a quick 50-50 on this Porsche. So this is beforehand, so obviously here you can see the swirl marks and the imperfections that are in the paintwork. And if we slowly pan across, this is the finished article really. So this has had the cutting and refining stages complete on it. As you can see, there's not a single swirl mark at all. And then back across to beforehand. So yeah, let's get this done on the rest of the car and then we can get it locked in with our ceramic coatings. Right, so that's the multi-stage paint correction now done on this incredible 993 Porsche Carrera. So next up, we need to seal that in with our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10-year coating.